Hold on to your hats. We're diving into the stormy world of hurricanes. Hurricanes start as tiny thunderstorms over warm ocean waters. When the water temperature is at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit, warm, moist air rises, creating low pressure below. As the air rises, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and releasing heat. This heat makes the air rise even faster. Now, here comes the twist, literally. The Earth's rotation causes the storm to spin thanks to something called the Coriolis effect. As the storm grows, it can form a giant eye in the center where things are strangely calm. But don't be fooled. Around the eye, the storm rages with the strongest winds. When a hurricane hits land, it loses its fuel, the warm ocean water, so it starts to weaken. But before that, it can cause massive damage with heavy rain, strong winds, and powerful waves. So next time you see a hurricane on the news, remember the Coriolis effect. Stay safe, hit the like, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping facts.